How to apply for Walmart jobs online. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can apply for a job here in Walmart Career. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. The URL we're going to be in is careers.walmart.com, but in case you don't want to type the entire URL, you must go into your browser and type Walmart Careers. There I'm going into the first link to go into careers.walmart.com, and you have some different filters that are going to help you to find your job. There are also some other links that are going to help you to find it, but by now I'm going to do it with this filter. So you must select your career, your area. It could be store and clubs, corporate, healthcare, technology, and drivers and distribution centers. Then you must type the job title or perhaps a keyword and also the location, so you can start typing your city and state. Let's suppose I'm interested in technology. I'm not gonna put any keyword, and the location, it could be Nevada, let's suppose. So by now here I have no results. There are some suggested searches, so I'm gonna try deleting the city, and then I'm gonna find some more. So this is the city in case you need it, the place. Most of these are in the same place, and if you continue with some further pages, you're gonna be able to find different cities there, okay? Like Dallas, Texas. Okay, there's a lot of job proposals. So in any case, once you have found one you like it, let's suppose, this is the last page. Okay, why not? Staff software engineer. I'm gonna click on it, and there you have the location, career area, job function, the employment type. This is gonna be regular or even permanent, and the requisition and the position type. So what you'll do, this is about the team. What are the tasks the Walmart Career expect from you, what you'll bring. There is all the info you need in order to apply. About Walmart Global Tech, flexible hybrid work. So probably this is gonna be useful if you want to work from your home sometimes. The benefits, equal opportunity employer, all the info you can read for that, the minimum qualification, preferred qualifications, and some more info that you can read if you want. This is all the same in all the careers, and if you are sure this is what you want, so you can scroll up until you find this, or even if you are down, there is the same button in this part. So I'm gonna apply, and this is gonna redirect you into the login page, so you can create an account or just get your credentials here to sign in. Now I got my credentials in. I have three different forms. You can use your last application in case you have created an application before. You can autofill your resume or apply manually. I recommend you to apply manually if this is your first time, because this is gonna ask you some different data from you or info, so you can complete your resume. So your basic info, your experience, application questions, perhaps voluntary disclosures. You must accept some terms and conditions and the review. Once you have filled in all this data, you can click save and continue and finish the entire process and wait into this platform here, this dashboard here in Walmart, or even into your email address, so Walmart could be in touch with you. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can apply for Walmart jobs online. Thanks for watching.